Hey there, this is Eileen Fernandez Parker from Cultivating the Learning. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use appointment slots that have been made in G Suite so that you can reserve a conference time with your trainer. So on the right-hand side would be a sample of the website that you are sent to reserve a time. So what I've got here is I have the trainer's calendar that is showing up inside your browser. And if I click here, and you can see there's nothing on the calendar. Okay. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to the teacher's calendar. This is a website URL that you can go to. And let's say I want the 10 o'clock time slot. I'm going to click on this. So this account is called Learner9. So your name is automatically added to the what. It's a conference time for Learner9. The who, it's also listed right here. For the where, all you're going to type is online. And then for the description, you're just going to put conference. Okay? And you're going to hit save. Now, when you do that, this window automatically pops up and it says your appointment's been saved, view or edit in Google Calendar. So I can click on that and it's automatically going to take me to my calendar, right? For the student, that is. And right now you can see, I'm just going to close this out. And now you can see on here that there is a conference time scheduled for 10 a.m. And when you click on that, you can see that there's automatically a Google Meet link for you to click on so that you can join your trainer. Okay, so after you set your appointment, you have to go to your own calendar and you have to click on it and click on the Join with Google Meet. Now, over here on the trainer side, now you can see that the 10 a.m. slot now has a specific conference. And when the trainer clicks on that, they can see who it is. It's Learner9. There's a Google Meet here. So at 10 o'clock, the both of you need to click on this link. Okay, now I'm going to jump back over to the learner. Because you might be continuing to work while you are waiting for your conference time to come up, you might want to click on the pencil. And then right here where it says notification, you might want to set yourself a 2-minute notification. And the notification will pop up on your screen, okay? Depending on what app you're working in, you might want to set it for an email notification also to be 1 or 2 minutes within the time slot. And then you want to make sure that you hit the save button up here so that it is saved, okay? So good luck. Enjoy your conference time with your trainer.